Hi, welcome back. So now we're going to discuss how to create email templates within Salesforce.com. Email notifications are important for any business process. And with Salesforce email templates, we can create standardized email templates that utilize merge fields and letterheads that allows us to merge Salesforce data with this template and to standardize the look and feel of such templates. There are 4 types of email templates within Salesforce. First, we had the HTML with letterhead. Next, we have custom HTML template. We also have Visualforce email templates, and then lastly we have simple plain text email templates. For this example, we will be creating an HTML with letterhead template. Compared to the other email templates, this will make use of a simple graphical editor within Salesforce and will utilize letterheads as a template for design. So in this example, we will be creating a standard letterhead first, and then a template for a sales meeting invitation, which will have data merged from both the contacts and accounts object. Also, for this example, we'll be discussing how to create folders for managing our different email templates. So first off, we will be creating our letterhead, which will act as a backdrop for our email template. Letterheads are extremely important for standardizing the look of email communications coming from Salesforce. So to start off, let's go to Salesforce Setup, go to Administer, click on Communication Templates, and then Letterheads. So next, let's click on New Letterhead to create a new letterhead in the system. So next, let's enter the letterhead properties like the label. Let's say Mojo letterhead. Let's retain the unique name generated by Salesforce. Enter our description and select available for use to make it instantly available for use within the system. So on the next screen, we can see that we can edit the look of our letterhead using a simple editor. So to start off, let's edit the background color. Let's select our color using the palette editor. So just select something of a slightly darker shade of gray and click on OK. Click on Select Logo and choose an image we uploaded earlier on the Documents section of Salesforce. So let's click on that one, which is Mojo. So now we have just uploaded the logo for our company. Next, let's click on Edit Header Properties to further edit the header properties. So in order to match our header with our logo, so let's select a background color of black. Horizontal alignment, let's retain it at left. Vertical, let's put it at middle. And just let's modify the height for 150 pixels. Click on OK to finalize that one. There we have it. Looks pretty sweet. Moving forward, let's further refine our letterhead by modifying the other parts of our letterhead. So let's select the Edit Footer Properties and match it with our header. So let's select the background color and select black. As well, select the height, which would put that 150, and click on OK. So there, I think that's good enough for now. So let's click on Save to finalize our changes. So as you can see, this is how our letterhead would look in practice when rendered on a web client. So after creating our letterhead, we can now start creating our email templates. So to start off, let's go to Communication Templates and click on Email Templates. So let's click on New Template to create our new email template. So for our email template type, let's select HTML using a letterhead. Click on Next. First, let's select Available for Use. So this means that the email template, after creating it, will be instantly available for use among the different users in the system. First, select it as Unfiled Public Email Templates so that it will be available for all users, although it's not organized for a folder. But later on in the video, we'll be creating our folder and we'll be adding our new email template to that folder as well. So let's enter the other details of our email template. So for email template name, let's say Invitation Letter. For the template unique name, let's just retain it. For the letterhead, let's select the letterhead we created earlier, which was Mojo Letterhead. For the email layout, we can choose either of any of the 6 available selections, but for now, let's click on Freeform Letter. So if you want to learn more about this different email layout options, you can just click on View Email Layout Options to view what each layout options mean. So let's just exit that. So for description, we can enter any description. For this one, let's say template for sales orientation invitation. And let's click on Next. So now that we're on the graphical editor for our template. Basically, it acts like any word processor wherein we can format our text and template. So for example, if we type in good morning, good day, or let's say good day, we can format that using the formatting controls up top. So you can select any font available within the Salesforce and select the size of it. Make it bold, italic, underlined, or whatever your heart desires. And let's keep it that way for now. So next we're going to enter the body of the email. So let's select, or let's type in our message. So first off, we want to merge our existing contact data with this email template. So for the select field tab, let's select contact fields. Click on the field, let's say name, first name, last name. So automatically it selects whatever template we created. So I'm just going to zoom out for you to view the whole screen. So let's select the merge field value that was generated by our merge field generator and paste it into our email template. So next let's select last name, copy that as well, and enter it to the merge field. So this means that for any workflow rule, for example, a workflow rule that works on the contact, the data from that contact will be merged with this particular email template. So let's enter the other parts of the text. So we want to merge another field here, for example, the contact related account. So let's select account fields and select the account name, copy the merge field, and finalize our email template. Hopefully we can change that and merge that with the current user. So for example, we have here a section called sending user fields. So let's select that and select first name. Copy that in. Let's click on preview to preview our email letterhead. So this is how it would look within an email client. So let's just go back and click on next to finalize our letterhead. So alternately, we also have a pure text version of that email template. So this will work for any email client that doesn't support our rich HTML type of emails. So let's just click on copy text from HTML version. So let's just click on OK, and we have that generated for us by Salesforce. So let's click on save to finalize our email template. So that's it. We have just created an email template that we can use with any existing workflow rule or creating a new workflow action within the system. So after creating our templates, it's always a good idea to create different folders to manage our templates properly. So to start off, let's just go to the main email templates page and click on create new folder. So first let's select the folder label. For example, let's say sales templates. So let's retain the folder unique name generated by Salesforce. And for the public folder access, we want to make it read-only. However, we want to add different users to this folder to have access to this folder. So first let's select roles and select all the roles related to sales. So for example, add those 2 roles there. Of course, we want to add marketing since this is still marketing. So next, let's select the public email templates that is existing on system that we want to add instantly to this folder. So first, let's select this one, the pre-built email template we created earlier, as well as the new email template we just created in this video called invitation letter. Click on add, and that's it. We have created a folder and added several templates to it. So let's click on save to finalize our changes. So that's it. We can instantly view the list of templates available for this particular folder. So this just gives you a brief glimpse of how powerful email template folders are in a way that they can organize the different templates that are in the system. So imagine, let's say you have 100 different templates in your system being used by 5 or 6 different departments. So having them all mixed up in one big folder is quite a chore. So that's it. So that's all about email templates. So in this video, we just discussed, the following. First, we created a letterhead, which is just basically a standardized way of designing your email templates. Next, we created a template, an HTML with letterhead version, which is quite an easy and a graphical approach to creating email templates. And lastly, we created email template folders, which you can use to manage the different email templates within the system. So in the next video, we will be discussing how to create time-based workflows in Salesforce.